right. Move! Oh, done.
So guys, today's video is a bit different. Today we are playing Airsoft in an abandoned prison. Yes, that's right, an abandoned prison. This place is huge. There is 2 long hallways packed full of prison cells. There's underground paths leading into the main part of the prison where we are located. The gun I will be using isn't mine, as I wasn't allowed to bring my 2-tone gun for some reason, so I borrowed my friend Simon's M4. So yeah, I also bought my tri-shot shotgun, so better know the enemies are going home with some bruises. The game mode we're playing is team deathmatch, so the team with the most kills wins the game. So let's begin. Here, me and my team are trying to push enemies back through this hallway back to their spawn, so they would not be able to flank us from this direction, as they are trying to push the staircase from the basement to the left of me and trying to push the entrance from far behind me.
Okay, that's just fun. Oh, it's just the door. They closed the door on us. They closed. Been G fun here. We're pushing, we're pushing. I sort of want to push with these lot, you know? Right, come with me, I'm going. Ah! Right, motherfuckers. Oh, that's teammates, well done. That's good to know. Come on! Ain't go dead.
There's one in the left room up there.
Oh, he's shitting himself.
Keep pushing, they're already down in the roof now.
Go, push, push, push!
That's a bad idea, they're going to go to a different place.
Get that. Go quick, because they're going to part them up. Watch out down there.
Who's got all down there? Who's covering?
Oh, fuck! Teammate! Should have done that side.
Next time you go. You're dead on this corner. And this is my way out. He's literally gone back down the stairwell. Sorry. You have to go down the left.
Sweet.
Yellow, friendly. BB. Makes a valid point.
Yes, get out of it! Good grenade, guys!
Oh my god, Triple. that side. I know. Well, actually, no. There's not much activity down there actually. Just in case. Ready for you? It's the bot. 3. Ah! How nice.
Watch the stairs, let me crook up the running.
This feels scary. What happened?
Apparently someone's been injured or something. Someone alright? Must be someone injured somewhere.
I reckon someone got shot in the eye or some shit.
They ran, didn't they? Yeah. I lobbed it. He lobbed it? He went out there, started shooting all of them, and then they said someone's hurt, so you have to stop hurting them.
Oh, really? Shadows confirmed.
Down there.
Have a nice ride. Luke! Oh! They're far down, they're way far down. We've got loads of teammates in there, so watch out. They're right down the bottom, so all of these guys are our teammates. There's none down the stairwell, as I know. They're pushing out that thing back there, at the end of the corridor. On the end of the corridor, there's a left. That's where they're coming from.
They don't open their heads around, don't they?
So I died and screamed, yep, that happened, and I'm just going to jump back into the action right now.
Who wants to join me to try pushing it? Anyone interested?
Not the way my gun's shooting at the moment, mate. It's missing every other shot.
Okay. Oh, they're getting sprayed up here now.
That's a fucking launcher.
Tell you where a good place is. Down there on the left, there's only people coming from a straight corridor.
Well, you watch our back.
I just rush through there. It's easy to maintain as well. Where are they? Yo, do you have any visuals?
No, not at the moment.
What? Go down there, it's easy. We can push it easy with 3 of us. We're not getting shot by that in the ricochet. go, let's go. Ah, you dickhead. Have we got teammates on the left? Oh, Lil, we got teammates on the left. We got teammates on the left. They're enemies on the left. On the left, on the left. What the fuck? Right. Lil, push it. No kicking doors. Right. They're gonna burst through. This is like that scene out of Scarface. Jordan. It's gonna be the best time to get kills right now. Liam. Yeah, that's fine. I'll get them before they get me. I was sitting in a...
So here guys, I nearly had a heart attack seeing this gun I borrowed break on me. The only thing to do was to take it back to Simon and tell him.